In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning, sharing a grocery haul, sharing a Dossier haul, and also showing y'all these new black seed oil vitamins I just got in from Organics Nature. So I already had 1 cup of coffee and now I'm starting on my second, and then I'm going to be taking the black seed oil. I've been hearing so many good things about black seed oil and I can't wait to see the benefits from them. These are used for antioxidants, heart support, they're anti-inflammatory, good for gut health and digestion, immune system support, your liver, cholesterol, and they're also good for skin and hair and weight loss. I'll have the link to these down below if you want to check them out. And then I also got some new goodies in from Dossier. Dossier perfumes are made with clean ingredients. They are vegan and cruelty-free, paraben and phthalate-free, and colorant and UV filter-free. These are the perfumes I got. So I got the Fiery Leather and Rhubarb, which is a new Dossier original scent. Then we've got Ambery Sage, which is inspired by Tom Ford's Fabulous, Spicy Vanilla inspired by Tom Ford's Noir, and Musky Green Tea, which is inspired by Creed's Silver Mountain Water. And this one is going to be my perfume of the day. I'm going to be using it all over my home because it smells amazing, and I'll have the scent notes on the screen. So I'm starting off cleaning in the kitchen today. I'm going to go ahead and clean my icebox off first using this foam glass cleaner, which is for glass and windows, but it's good for any surfaces really. I love how it foams up. It's very satisfying to clean with, and it works great on stainless steel. So I'll be using this on my icebox and my microwave. And then I'll be wiping off my countertops with a multi-purpose cleaner mixed with water.
Sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes.
So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to give the kitchen floor a quick vacuum, and then I'm also going to be mopping it.
Don't you get it? No. Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X.
So now I'm just straightening up a few things on the bookshelf. Somehow the cats knocked this stuff over. I have no idea how they did it. They must have ran into it, so I was just picking that up. And now I'm going to clean this little area, which is the office area, but it's also the cat's area. And honestly, this entire apartment is the cat's apartment, which I forgot to tell y'all. It's their home and I am basically just living in it and maintaining it for them. I'm obviously just kidding, and I hope y'all knew that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor. I'm gonna be doing lots of vacuuming and mopping right now.
Space, right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me when I'm stuck here on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next.
So I sprayed the Dossier all in my kitchen, and now I'm also spraying it around my living room. I love to spray the Dossier perfumes on different things like my throw pillows and blankets because the scent lingers for days and it just makes it smell amazing in here. So now I'm going to clean my bathroom quick. I'm just wiping off the countertops and the sink, and then I'm going to be cleaning out my bathtub. I just got this new bathroom cleaner from Walmart. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, but this stuff actually works great and it was really cheap. So as soon as I run out of this product, I will definitely be repurchasing. After that, I'm going to be cleaning off my mirror with that same foam glass cleaner, and then I'm going to be using my Dossier in the bathroom as well. I like to spray the Dossier on my decorative towels as well as my shower curtain.
So I had full intentions on doing like a whole vlog day because today was actually my sister's birthday and I didn't have my camera with me. So yeah, anyways, we just got back from the grocery store. We went to H-E-B to pick up a few things and I'm going to be adding in a little grocery haul real quick. So let's get right to it. We didn't get a ton of stuff, just got some things we wanted and needed. So I'm gonna be showing you everything we got from H-E-B today and also telling you what I'm gonna be cooking this week. We're trying to eat a little healthier, so we got some healthy things. Starting over here, we got a bag of spinach. I love spinach in my smoothies. I like making a spinach salad with olive oil and balsamic, and I also like them with my scrambled eggs. So we got a bag of spinach. We got a bag of fresh green beans. We got a rotisserie chicken, the mesquite barbecue one. So we actually eat on this like the first day we buy it, and then the next day I turn it into chicken salad and eat on that for a few days. Turns out delicious. Got some ground beef because we're gonna be making spaghetti this week, and also some nachos. Got some angel hair pasta for the sketty. Got 2 things of the H-E-B blueberry yogurt, 2 things of broccoli, another pack of this cheese, because like I told y'all, I was gonna eat it all, and I did. Alan ate some too, but I mostly ate it myself. It's so good. If you have an H-E-B, pick up one of these. They're only 4 something. Absolutely delicious, just to snack on and for sandwiches. Got 4 apples, a white onion, some cilantro, a lime because we're going to be making the cilantro lime rice to go along with the ground turkey. We got some juices over here. We got some cranberry juice, the naked juice, the blue machine flavor, and then, well, not flavor, but that's what it's called. And then some pineapple juice, tomato and basil sauce for the spaghetti, some eggs, some cheese because we're gonna be making the nachos with these blue corn chips. These are so good. If you come across them, pick up a bag. They are delicious, and supposedly these are better for you than regular tortilla chips. Also, I wanted to say about the broccoli. We just seen the other day that broccoli actually has more protein than steak. I don't know how true it is, but if it's true, that's amazing, and I'm going to be eating more broccoli. Next up, we got some butter. We got some toilet paper, of course, because your girl ran out. We got some more of this orange cream swirl. Absolutely delicious. Some sugar for Alan's coffee. Some picante sauce for the nachos. Frozen fruit for fruit infused water. We got mango, papaya, and strawberry, and then just a pack of strawberries. We got some bananas, and we also got a 24 pack of water. And that's everything that we got at H-E-B today.
This is what we had for dinner tonight. I cooked up some of those fresh green beans, cut some of the chicken off of that rotisserie chicken, and I had leftover mashed potatoes, so it worked out perfect. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!